Hello everyone, thanks for listening our product proposal. The product is called Tuition Chain. We will dig into our product from 5 aspects. The first part is the product design. The idea of our product is originated from the idea of Bitcoin payments for tuition fees. Then we discovered that in the US, tuition fees are mainly contributed by family income, scholarship, and borrowing. Based on this, we want to provide a service that allows students to make their payments more flexible, which we call it Smart Pay. You can employ your smart contracts that suits you best to pay your tuition. On the other hand, we want scholarships distribution fair and more effective in a function we call Smart Fund. The requirements can be written in the smart contract and every student is equally treated. Here are 4 benefits of our products using the blockchain: equality, transparency, reliability, and convenience.
Our project will base on Bitcoin SV, a Bitcoin branch chain that is developing steadily with stable technical support. During development, we will use a series of toys developed by Exeter for testing, debugging, and developing our smart contract, as well as React to link the front and back ends. Oracle will be an important part of our project because it will provide student data, which is relative to the core of fairness in this project. React can help us quickly connect front to backend and use TypeScript for web development. We will use waterfall development to develop our project, developing the backend first and then the front-end web page. Using waterfall development gives us a lot of control over our development and testing time.
Okay, let me expand our project through a short code. The focus of the code is on the structures and logics of the smart contract itself. Here's a general framework. In this code, we define the student scholarship contract, the program we will develop, which includes the state variables, tuitions, and scholarships. The pay tuitions function takes amounts, parameters, and returns both values indicating whether the payment was successful or not. The send scholarships function returns both values indicating that the scholarships was successfully sent. It increased the scholarships variables by increasing the amount. Here's a procedural code structures for paying tuitions. The school payment scholarships is then based on this framework's extending.
So for our project management, we will try to build an efficient project workflow. For example, we will arrange online meetings and everyone will stand by on the group chat. After that, the tasks assigned are based on what members excel in. And finally, we will test, fix bugs, and practice continuously to make our product more robust and reliable. Then based on that, we plan to define the weekly plan every Monday and make discussion to check progress every Friday. And if emergency, more meetings will be arranged to fix problems. What's next is our team's minimum hours of work is 400 hours in total before presentation. We plan to finish the back and front end coding by the end of week 5. And if the back end coding finished earlier, we will try to make some functions add-ins, such as the micropayment. Then we will do the integration and analysis job by week 9 and then prepare for the main presentation. So that's all our project timeline.
When we implement this project into real time, we'll have the challenges. Under that, we have technical challenges. Under that, we have scalability challenge. And universities need to maintain higher data storage to implement this project. And this project is based on smart contracts which are immutable. And once data is stored on blockchain, it cannot be modified or deleted. And universities need to maintain machines with higher computational powers to implement this project. When it comes to the marketing challenges, people generally have the perception like blockchain is associated with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is associated with volatile. When we try to convince the university people, they think like this project is based upon the volatility. And when it comes to the legal challenge, it's a blockchain is all about borderless. When any issue arises, there is the absence of jurisdiction. Which law is applicable, and we have general data protection laws. It may lead to contravention of privacy as well as ownership of the data provisions of general data protection laws.